Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. Hi, we are again here with a new video about best video player so that you can get the best video experience. Maybe you have used other players as well, but it has some of the features that are really awesome that make it better and different from others. So let's get started. Open the Play Store on your mobile. Search video player all format. Click on it, click install. It will start downloading. Let's read about this player, how it's different from others. It has 5 million downloads and 4.8 ratings. That is really great. It is rated as the highest rated video player, 4.8. Plays HD videos. You have option to create a private folder to make videos private. Night mode option, quick mute. You can see these features which are really awesome. Let's get started with the app. Open it. It will ask for some permissions. Here are the folders of the mobile. Let's open the video. It shows how you can change the brightness, seek progress and volume. See, it's changing the brightness of the video. Now the volume of the video. It's increase or decrease. You see in the bottom the seek progress. We rotate it. It rotates the video. Rotate it back. See the other options. There is night mode option. It dims off the lights. Quick mute option. See the other options. Speed, timer and others. To set up the time for a video, sleep timer. So these are the features which make it better from others. You can give subtitles, audio decoder editing. Then we can lock the video in a private folder. See how this happens. Put the pin here of 4 digits. Enter the pin again. Now no video found. Now see how to unlock this video. Now it's unlocked. Private video folder is empty. Then you can use equalizer according to your needs. These are the predefined options. So these are the some of the options that make it better from other players. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.